evening. This is Miss Rose standing here in front of Chima Steakhouse for Tailored Tuesdays, brought to you by My First Suit, which is a nonprofit organization. Now, My First Suit is a nonprofit organization that is focused on getting young men into their very first suit. Now, today's topic is going to be somewhat taboo, somewhat controversial. It's a little different speed from what we usually do at Meet the Fresh, but we're going to be talking about relationships today. I have Jennifer Tardy here with me, where she's going to be talking about the release of her book called His Ingredient Label. Good evening, family. This is your girl, Miss Rose, right here live at the Mercedes-Benz dealership in South Charlotte. We are here to celebrate Charlotte Style Fashion Week. Yes, Fresh family, this is your girl, Jeezy Rose, standing right here in front of Dormer Lounge. Now, it's Friday night, Friday the 13th at that, in the Queen City, and I was looking for something outside of the box to do tonight, something outside of the realm of the norm.
I always want to meet the Fresh.
Well, I want to thank you for taking the time out to speak with me.
I want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to do what I do with you.
Standing here with Jocinda, who happens to be one of the nominees for the 25 most stylish people here in Charlotte. That's big. So tell me your thoughts on that. How do you feel about being one of the nominees?
I'm excited. I love Charlotte Style Magazine, and for them to even throw my name in the hat, I feel completely honored.
So in your acknowledgement, you talk about this book being your contribution. So tell me from your perspective, why do you feel that relationships in general is such a worthy cause to contribute to?
First of all, I love the fact that you caught that this is truly my contribution.